Hi everyone, welcome to the channel once again. If you're a beginner photographer and you are still struggling on how to get your first clients, you are not alone. Okay, the truth is that getting clients is not about buying big equipment, big cameras or lights. It's about knowing how to market yourself. So if you're a beginner and you're thinking or struggling on how you can land your first client with your camera, stick around because I'm going to give you 3 strategies, practical steps on how can land your first client with your camera and start making money. Any type of photography you are doing, whether you're into portraits, you're into fashion, you're into beauty or wedding, this video is for you. And stay tuned and watch the video because I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end of this video. So number one thing which you must do for you to land your first client as a beginner. First, I want you to start your photography journey from the church. This is very important because you as a beginner, this is your first point where you get to know people and people will also know you by what you are doing. And when you're starting from the church, you have to present yourself like someone who knows what he or she is doing. You have to join the media group of any church that you attend. Okay, join the media group and be a serious member. Serve in that media group. Always make sure that you are serving, you are handling camera like you are working when it comes to anything called media, especially when it comes to you handling the camera or the video. Make sure that you are always there. Become serious, always attend the activities of that church, and by so doing, whenever someone has an event, whenever someone has a birthday shoot, whenever someone has anything pertaining to photography, it feels that you will be in their mind. They will definitely remember you because you are a serious member of that church. You've been serving with your skill. So this is the first thing that you must do for you to land your clients. This is very important. And the second thing which you must do for you to start making money with your camera is to leverage with your family or friends. That is the second thing you must do. Because you as a beginner, nobody knows you yet. Okay? It's not starting getting paid gig for the moment. So the only way that you can present yourself for you to have a portfolio for people to know you for what you are doing is to leverage, start using your friends or family for photo shoot. Most of the time, you just have to use them just to build your portfolio. It doesn't necessarily mean that they must pay. Most of these shoots that you are doing with your friends or family are just free shoots that you are using to build yourself up and also to build your portfolio, so that people will know that this is what you do. Because by so doing, when you start photographing your friends or family, whenever they go out to their church, their offices, anywhere, they will also know that they have someone who is into photography. And by so doing, if their work is okay, trust me, these your friends and family will still be the people that will refer other persons to you. And before you know, you start getting paid gigs from other persons. The third thing which you must do for you to start getting paid clients is to have or create a strong portfolio. You see, this is very important. You must have a portfolio before someone will start or even think of booking you in today's photography. If you don't have a portfolio, how will you do that? You have the pictures you've been taking your friends or family. That is where portfolio building will come in. That is the picture you will use to build your portfolio. That is why I'm telling you that this video is something that you must sit down and watch from the beginning to end. Because just like a process, just like the first one lead to a second one will lead to a third one. That is how this video is. So the pictures you've been photographing your friends and family are the pictures that you will use to create your portfolio online. So this is very important because if no one sees your portfolio, if no one sees the work you've been doing, it will be very difficult. It's very difficult for them to book you for their job. So try as much as possible to create a strong portfolio that stands out, that represents your brand, that represents the type of photography that you are doing. Have it in mind that when you are creating this portfolio, if you're into wedding, if you're into fashion, beauty or portrait, just stick to that type of photography that you are doing. You understand? And guys, if you enjoyed this video to this very moment, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell because I'll be dropping weekly and valuable content just like this one you're watching now. The next thing which you must do for you to start getting paid work, for you to start making money with your camera as a beginner photographer, is to use social media as a exposure. This is something that, see, in today's business, in today's life, you're not on social media. It's not started business. So you as a beginner, another means where you can start getting paid work to present yourself. Always try as much as possible to use the social media. Use all platforms to promote yourself, to showcase your work. By so doing, if you are photographing quality work, trust me, you will definitely pick someone will definitely have interest in what you are doing from any platforms on the social media. Social media is the new money right now, so try as much as possible to present your work, to present your work in a professional way, in a way that will attract your potential clients. This is something that you must use. This is the social media that you must use to start getting your paid clients as a beginner photographer. Another strategy that can start giving you money as a beginner photographer is when you offer a discounted prices. See, when you are starting out, the truth is that I advise you not to charge too high. This is something that you put into consideration when you are starting out, because when you are charging too high, people don't know you and people will find it difficult to pay because they've not seen your work that much. So try as much as possible to give discounted prices whenever, like as a beginner. You can give discounted prices to your friends and family, let them know that you are into this, and by so doing, they will also tell other people that you are doing this. So just give discounted prices for your services, okay, for your section. And these discounted prices you are giving, it's not going to be a long period of time. You just have to give these discounted prices for just some period of time. Let's say 2 to 3 months, just to make yourself known to the type of people that you are trying to attract. You're getting the point. And the next one, which I will tell you, for you to start making your first client and start making money with that camera, is you have to try cold email or cold calls. And this is pitching. This is very important. If you're into business and you don't know how to pitch, I'll advise you, go and know how to pitch on Instagram. Go and know everything about pitching, because pitching is something that you must do. If you're into business, even as a beginner or even someone that is into the business, the professional I look up to, they pitch once in a while. They pitch to brands, they pitch to industry that you want to work with. So you as a beginner, you should also know how to pitch yourself to brands that you want to work with. Pitch yourself to some persons that you want to work with. You can pitch yourself to makeup artists, to fashion designers, to event decorators and event planners. This is something that you must know how to do it, and do it perfectly for you to land your first client as a beginner. The bonus step will be given you for you that have stayed till this moment is, please or advise you as a beginner, do not be afraid to shoot for free. Do not be afraid to shoot for free. This is something that you must do as a beginner. You see, in your free time, whenever the client is not coming, or maybe you feel that you're not getting any paid work, try as much as possible to shoot for free within the people that are within your areas. And how will you do this? You're not just shooting for free, or have a concept in your head. If you're into portrait or beauty, have a concept in your head that this is what you want to achieve, just to build your portfolio, because you're a beginner, and the only way that can keep you improve, or the only way that can make people to book you, is to keep posting your work, keep shooting. Because once you stop posting or you stop shooting, the truth is that the interest will not be there and people will forget you. So try as much as possible to shoot for free, okay, as a beginner. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.